Hello, I'm Megan.
I'm Catherine.
And we're from the Wildlife Trust of South and West Wales, and today we're going to show you how to make nature clay prints.
For your nature clay print, you'll need some air drying clay available in shops or online. You need a knife maybe, or clay tools if you've got some. You need to collect some materials from nature which have got different textures and shapes.
So the next step is to take a chunk of clay each and then mould it into the shape we want. It might take a little while to warm up the clay in your hands and make it mouldable, so just squidge it a little bit around in your hands.
So I'm going to get my nature items and I'm going to lay them on the clay in the pattern that I want. With a long leaf, I'm going to leave it dangle over the end so I can pull it off easily. And I'm going to gently push it into the clay to make the pattern.
So now the reveal. Just pull it off and you can see your print. So now we just need to leave our lovely nature prints on the windowsill for 1 to 2 weeks so that they can dry out. And then when we're done, like this one here, we could colour it in with some colouring pencils or felt tips. Thank you for watching our craft activity today.
Have a go at home and share your results with us.
Bye!
Bye.